Welcome back to Cars Zone. In this video I break down the full experience review of Bugatti Divo. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Let's start review. Bugatti Divo, full review, exterior, performance, safety, interior, price and more. The Bugatti Divo is a high-performance hypercar that is a more track-focused version of the Bugatti Chiron. It offers an incredible combination of aerodynamics, power, luxury, and exclusivity, making it one of the most coveted hypercars in the world. Exterior design and aerodynamics. The Bugatti Divo features a more aggressive and aerodynamically optimized design compared to the Chiron. Aerodynamics. The car has a completely redesigned front end with larger air intakes and a new front splitter for improved downforce. Rear wing. A massive 1.83-meter, 72-inch, fixed rear wing provides 23% more downforce than the Chiron. Cooling system. Additional vents and NOCA ducts enhance cooling for the brakes and engine. Weight reduction. The Divo is 35 kilograms, 77 pounds, lighter than the Chiron due to extensive use of carbon fiber. Lighting. It features custom 3D LED taillights and slim LED headlights that add to its futuristic look. Exclusive colors, limited color combinations, including titanium liquid silver and Divo Racing Blue, make each unit unique. Performance and engine. The Bugatti Divo shares the 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine from the Chiron but is tuned for better handling and aerodynamics. Power output, 1,479 horsepower, 1,500 PS, and 1,600 Newton-meters, 1,180 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour 2.4 seconds. Top speed, limited to 380 km/h, 236 miles per hour, lower than Chiron's 420 kilometers per hour. Handling improvements. 90 kilograms, 198 pounds, more downforce than the Chiron. Stiffer suspension for better cornering. Higher lateral acceleration, 1.6 G. Gearbox, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Exhaust, quad titanium exhaust system for a deeper, more aggressive sound. Safety features. Although hypercars prioritize performance, the Divo includes important safety features. Carbon ceramic brakes for exceptional stopping power. Advanced traction control for improved grip and high-speed cornering. ESC, electronic stability control with different driving modes. Front and rear parking sensors and rear view camera. Driver assistance systems focused on high-speed safety rather than autonomous driving. Interior and luxury features. The Divo's interior is luxurious yet track-focused, offering top-tier materials and craftsmanship. Driver-focused cockpit with lightweight Alcantara seats and carbon fiber trims. Asymmetrical color scheme, driver's side in Divo Racing Blue, passenger side in titanium black. Minimalist infotainment, focus on lightweighting, so no large screens. High-end audio system, custom-built for weight reduction. Fully digital instrument cluster with real-time telemetry. Custom steering wheel with flat-bottom design for better control. 5. Price and limited production. Base price, $5.8 million USD. Limited units, only 40 units were produced, all sold out before the public debut. Resale value, some units are selling for over $10 million in the secondary market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit bell icon.